Simple 8. Let's find all the solutions of cotangent of x over 2 minus 1 equals 0. Well, same thing. Get your trig function by itself. So move the 1 over, right? So we get cotangent of x over 2 equals 1. Trig function's by itself. So take the reciprocal. What's the reciprocal of cotangent? So tangent of x over 2 is equal to, what's the reciprocal of 1?
Wouldn't it be 2 over x?
No, you always leave the angle what it is. It's just the trig function you take the reciprocal of. And what is the reciprocal of 1? 1, right? Now, tangent is what? X in terms of x, y, and r.
R? No.
Y over x. When is the only time that y divided by x will give me a 1? If they're exactly the same signs, okay? So go through your unit circle and find me where the x and the y are this exact same number. All right, so one of them is pi over 4. And the other one is 5 pi over 4. Now, but where are those at? They're directly across from each other, aren't they? So do I really have to write both of them? Well, am I restricted first? Is it just between 0 and 2 pi? No, if it's restricted, you have to write them all out. No option. But remember, if they're across from each other, we only have to write the smaller one and put plus pi n on it, okay? So I don't have to write this one. It's going to be covered when I put plus pi n. But I don't have x by itself. So how do I get x by itself? Multiply by 2. And what we do to one, you do to all, okay? So multiply everything by 2. So x equals, what's 2 times pi over 4? Pi over 2 plus, what's 2 times pi n?